Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Ford Fiesta stock number 5975. This ran from 06/2013 to the 12/2019. It has a WZ 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WZ 1-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, 3 small dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Manual gear stick. AC heater controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.